an unboxing. I've ordered a dress on Lace Market. It's actually one of my dream dress. It's Elisabeth Unicorn from Angelic Pretty, and I received it yesterday, so I can't wait to open it. So let's go. Okay, so there is the head bow, the tights, and the dress. So let's start by the head bow. Oh my god, it's new with tag. Oh my god, wow. So it's the navy colorway, and like all the Angelic Pretty head bows and all the bows, they have the logo right in the middle, so they perfectly place the fabric so it's right in the middle. So it's super pretty, and it has a chain, gold chain of stars. Wow, I love it. It's awesome. And the fabric is super soft. It's like a cotton blend. I don't know, we'll see on the dress, but I really like it so far. Oh my god, super excited. And so the tights came in white, which is actually quite cool, because I think it will also go a lot with a lot of other dresses, and I think it would be very pretty with the black, with the navy colorway of the dress. So they don't seem to have been worn either, so super pretty. I love the detailing. So there's the ribbons over there, crowns, and all those gold chains and kind of mirror here. And so I've already looked at close-ups of the print before I got the dress. When I knew I ordered the dress, I already looked up all the details, and I already bought a lot of accessories, like items to make accessories with that. So you'll see a lot of DIY to make very pretty accessories to go with this dress. So let's see. So the tights, they have the ponies. Well, they're exactly the same on both legs and both sides, I think. They are gorgeous, and I love that it's real tights and not OTKs made of this fabric, because it would never stay up my legs. So, oh my god, that's so pretty. Let's see, and now the dress. Ooh, comes in a very cute Innocent World bag. It's of course from Angelic Pretty, but I bought it second hand, so they got it. Woo! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ta-da! So I chose this cut because the other one was a bit too high-waisted for me, like this dress, and it tends to be not very flattering on my body when the waist is too high. So this cut has the waist a bit on the normal waist, and so I'm super happy. And wow, it is just gorgeous. So it's super light and super soft, but it has still a nice texture. I will show you close-ups later. And partial shearing in the back, which I have measured. It should fit me. I hope it does, because on the waist it seems a bit tight. We'll see, but I have checked the measurements before, and if it doesn't, that's a shame, because it's one of my dream dresses. So look at that print. It is so gorgeous. I wasn't really a fan of this part here, like the small mini overskirt that is sewn on. We'll see how it will look. And I think normally, like all Angelic Pretty dresses, they have pockets, but not on this side. Does it have pocket? Okay, yeah, it does here. And two. No, I think only one pocket. We'll see later, maybe it's hidden. Usually it's pretty well hidden, so that's super cool. Super light dress. I was really, when I saw the texture, I was expecting like a heavy cotton, but it's not the case. And so on the bodice we have beautiful trims and lace, and it's actually okay, it's a bit of like old gold, Vegas gold, and the bodice is made of ivory and white lace, so we'll see how it's easy to coordinate. I was going to wear it with a very white blouse, but we'll see how it turns out. And it's also new with the tag, so wow, this dress is actually, it's actually new, even though I bought it on Lace Market. So happy, really, really cool. So I will show you close-ups, and I'm gonna wear it. And we'll see. The front has a small bow here. It's sewn on, not detachable, and about the same size, a little bit bigger bow here. Also always with a P in the middle, like here. So also sewn on, not detachable, but that's okay. I like it here. It's pretty cute. I'm really not sure about this, but we'll see. At least it's the same color as the dress, so it doesn't stand out too much. And very cute star buttons and pin tucks. And actually the fact that this lace is white and here it's ivory doesn't bother me too much. And there's not really white on the dress like the pony, like the carousel horses. They seem to be also a bit ivory, so we'll see what kind of blouse I put to it. The ribbon for the lacing is very sturdy, very soft, very cool, and look how they made the thing to pass the ribbon on. I think it's gonna be very hard to break, so that's good. And as always with Angelic Pretty, all the sewing, everything is so perfect. All the little details are so good. Very nice partial shirring. I hope it's gonna be enough for me. We'll see. And so here's the lace at the bottom. It has AP and little chandeliers. Super pretty. It doesn't have a built-in petticoat though, just lining, but that's fine. Also look how the seam is really good here, even though it's not the exact matching pattern. It matches very well on both sides. I think it's the same the other way. Yes, pretty cool. And so there's no pocket on this side, only one pocket here, but that's already very cool. So here's the full print. We have two carousel horses and like badges, armories and keys and crowns, and some baroque detailing here. And so I think my gold shoes will go perfect with that. And I'm a bit disappointed about the blue. I think in real it turns even more like a petrol blue, like a bit grayish, greenish blue, and I was expecting a more brilliant light blue, which is not the case, but that's okay. It's a bit not as shiny as I would have liked, but that's okay. Really, like, the print is gorgeous, and I think that colorway was the most beautiful. I really liked the darker version.